A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is prejudice, an emotional hijack rooted in the brain. Ladies and gentlemen, prejudice is a deeply ingrained emotional response that transcends mere social biases. At its core, it stems from neurological pathways shaped by evolutionary, environmental, and cultural factors. While often negative, prejudice can hijack rational thought and lead to disproportionate reactions. Understanding how the brain processes these biases, particularly through the amygdala's influence on emotional regulation, can illuminate ways to mitigate its effects and foster empathy. Let's look at the subject slightly deeper. Prejudice arises from the brain's natural tendency to categorize information. Evolutionarily, this served as a survival mechanism, helping early humans quickly differentiate friend from foe. The amygdala, which is an almond-shaped mass of gray matter in the anterior part of the medial temporal region of the brain and is responsible for processing threats, plays a key role in this categorization. When it perceives potential danger, it can trigger an amygdala hijack, an immediate, overwhelming emotional response that bypasses rational thought. In such moments, the prefrontal cortex of the brain, responsible for critical thinking, is temporarily overridden. Each brain is unique, shaped by individual experiences, genetics, and cultural context. Yet, prejudice spreads through societal influences such as socio-economic disparities, forced displacements or migrations, and historical inequalities. Governments, societies, and organizations play critical roles in creating environments that reduce these triggers by promoting inclusivity, equity, and social cohesion. Scientific studies reveal that prejudice is linked to heightened activity in the brain's fear and anger centers. It can also contribute to mental health conditions like anxiety and depression, especially in those who experience or internalize prejudice. Addressing these issues involves recognizing prejudice as more than a simple emotional reaction. It is a complex, context-driven process influenced by external factors and internal brain responses. Spiritual and philosophical teachings also offer profound insights. Ancient wisdom from texts like the Bhagavad Gita emphasizes self-awareness, empathy, and transcendence of ego-driven fears. These teachings align with modern neurological findings, mindfulness practices, meditation, and deep breathing can help regulate the amygdala's activity, allowing the prefrontal cortex to regain control. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, also plays a role by reducing fear responses and fostering social bonding. What's the path forward? Mitigating prejudice requires a multifaceted approach. Individuals can practice techniques such as mindfulness and cognitive reframing to regain control over impulsive emotional reactions. Societal efforts must focus on addressing root causes like poverty, inequality, and displacement to create more inclusive communities. On a neurological level, studies suggest that emotional responses dissipate more effectively with deliberate focus and positive reinforcement. Deep breathing, grounding exercises, and social support can activate the brain's calming mechanisms. Additionally, fostering empathy and compassion through education and storytelling can help rewire the brain's biases over time. Governments and organizations must also promote policies that reduce systemic inequalities and foster social cohesion. Crafting safe spaces for dialogue, promoting cross-cultural understanding, and addressing socio-economic disparities can help reduce the triggers that fuel prejudice. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, ultimately, prejudice is a complex interplay of neurological, emotional, and societal factors. By understanding its roots and employing strategies to regulate emotional responses, individuals and societies can work towards greater empathy and unity. As Lord Krishna states in the Bhagavad Gita, when meditation is mastered, the mind is unwavering like the flame of a lamp in a windless place. This timeless wisdom reminds us that mastery over one's mind can dispel prejudice and illuminate the path to harmony. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.